System recordings is where you can add audio files to be used in your Freevoice PBX. Multiple audio files can play per recording, and you have 3 options as to how you can create a recording. Go to PBX, PBX Setup, and System Recordings. Here you will be presented with 3 ways in which to create your recordings. Click Record New to record via your phone. Click Upload to upload a sound file.
Thank you for calling G.W. Carver & Associates. Please hold while we connect you.
Click Built-in Recordings to select from a list of ready-made recordings within the PBX.
Academic support.
After we upload our recordings with the desired method, they can be used anywhere within the system. And that is how we use system recordings within the Freevoice PBX.